Our other fork, because we just want to get both sides pretty buttery like so. Take out, have my last piece of bread here. Now let's transition into our cheese. So I'm going to take off 3 pieces and place them on the middle grilled cheeses. So now, straight above, straight above, straight above, straight above, and cool. Now, it's time to cut, so I'm going to cut at an angle, just push down. See all that butter coming out? Alright, so now I'm going to start placing these triangles in our pre-greased pie mold. So it's pretty easy, guys. Just going to play a little follow the leader with the grilled cheese. And once we get to the last one, we're going to spread them out and do a little pretty cool little thing here. You take a rolling pin, you're going to start pressing down in the center first. You'll twist it, and then we'll keep pushing out to about halfway of the grilled cheese, and this is going to be our crust. And so you're going to get points going up. Alright. We have our cream cheese. I'm going to take about half of our Parmesan, place it in there, half of the mozzarella. We have garlic powder, and of course the best Chefclub pizza. Going to pour that right on. And this is room temperature cream cheese. So we're just going to fold everything in. Beautiful color. Already smells wonderful. So now we got our first layer. We're going to take our bolognese sauce, and we're just going to pour it right in the center. And give it a little shake, make sure everything's evenly distributed. I'm going to add my Parmesan to the rest of my mozzarella and also some fresh cut parsley. Mix in with my hand to combine everything, and then we're going right on top. And now for the final touch, of course, pepperonis. So now I'm going to put this in a preheated oven of 375 degrees for 25 minutes. And does it look wonderful? Put it on a little dolly for yourself, spin it. I'm going to add a little bit more parsley to it, so you just go right on while I spin it over. This is going to bring out a little bit of green color. Wow, looks great. Going to place on your plate here. You got a little side salad. Let that rest for about 3 minutes and then dig in.
For it. Get some cheddar. And as you guys know, cheddar is naturally white. The way we get this color here is with the powder of the annatto seed, which is a food coloring agent. Okay, and now that we have a nice crispy underside, we're just going to come in here and flip these over. Get them unstuck first, and we flip it over. Beautiful. Do the same here. Grab that, flip it over. That's what we want. Now we're going to come back right away, flip it back over so we still have some nice gooey cheese on this side. Beautiful. Let's grab some of this here. Place it right down there. And we're going to go ahead and grab this. Flip it over. That's exactly what we want. Bring it onto our plate. It is a little heavy. That's how we want it. Okay, quickly get this one over here. Same thing. Flip it over. Grab some of our beautiful birria infused pork shoulder. Call it pulled pork, guys. Right there. And for those of you who love this freshness on there, some green onions. Grab this baby. I'm gonna bring it like that. Close it over. And we bring it onto our plate. Okay. Just gonna drop this off right here quickly. Grab these and move on. We've got some dill pickles here that we're gonna use the juice. And we pour the pickles in here. Juice, pickles, and our last one. Quickly. Now we're gonna give this back a nice little shake. Careful not to spill it. Alright, what we're going for is a beautiful color. We're gonna have to refrigerate these for a couple of hours. so the color can set in nicely. But fortunately for you guys, we've already prepared another one for you that we have right here in our fridge. Let's see how this turned out. Don't worry, we've got some crumbs in there from the hot Cheetos. It's all good. Carefully, let's pour this out. And we want our pickles to come out nice and red, as they have perfectly. For a touch of flavor, tajín. Get it all in there. And we move on to our next step. These nice little pickles that we seasoned deliciously for you earlier. And we're gonna go ahead and give this a nice little cut. Ooh, it is hot. Let's get that. Now we're gonna see how cheddar is made.